Good morning, everybody. This is John from Sendmode here. This tutorial is about our GDPR compliance features. We're committed to keeping you GDPR compliant, and we've added in a number of features to help you do so. The first is in the area of recording consent. It's one of the main tenets of the legislation and will help you when if a customer submits a data access request, then you need to show where you got the consent. So the first place here is in the import. So when you're importing your numbers into the system, we've added a new column here, column M, for opt-in consent. So let's say you're adding in a couple of hundred numbers. You'd add in the consent that you received in column M. This is then recorded in the system and is available then for any data access reports later on from any of your customers. So for example, just have a look at this customer here. So this customer here, the opt-in consent was an in-store purchase. So this is time-stamped in the system also. So we'll be able to say that this particular customer gave consent during an in-store purchase on this particular date. We also have a report here of called the marketing consent report. So this will allow you to filter all your customers by the different types of opt-ins, either opt-in via SMS through keyword, opt-in via the web, through an import, or for developers opt-in over the API. You can also filter by the different types of consent that you add in when you're importing. So for example, in-store purchases, if we generate a report, we'll be able to see all the people who opted in under the in-store purchase banner and when they actually opted in. This then can be exported to Excel and gives you a list of all the people who have opted in under that consent banner. If you have any questions, we're available at any time. We're doing a couple more tutorials on GDPR reports and sending a GDPR compliant SMS message, and they'll be available with this batch up on YouTube. Thank you very much.